I'm Bill Hargrove, the CEO of Westec Environmental Solutions. I thought I would take a minute to explain some of the basics of carbon capture and how the innovation at WES can enable a solution to the growing crisis of climate change. Carbon capture is a process used to capture carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, from either the atmosphere or from an emission source. The primary technology used to accomplish this is called gas-to-liquid mass transfer, in which a liquid, called a solvent, is chosen that is selective to the absorbing target gas, in this case, carbon dioxide. This process occurs inside a vessel called an absorber, or sometimes a contactor. Conventional absorbers use a metal packing which is wetted by the solvent and creates a surface area for the reaction to occur. But there's another way to mix a gas and a liquid, and you've known about it since you were a small child. Bubbles mix a gas and a liquid very effectively. The WES technology eliminates the metal packing and instead creates countless tiny bubbles which are rapidly formed, collapse, and are reformed, which provides the surface area and the mixing. There's some very practical advantages to using this approach used in the WES Absorber. For one, it's much smaller, saving footprint and the cost of construction. It can also use a new type of solvent called a phase change or precipitating solvent, which greatly reduces the operating cost of a capture plant. These new solvents cannot operate in a traditional absorber, as the solids would form scale on the metal packing and clog the airflow. Once the carbon dioxide is captured, it can either be pumped into underground geological storage, or even better, reuse technologies are emerging that use it to make commodities like building materials for recycling or as a fuel. Closing the carbon cycle and reusing the captured carbon dioxide is the best option for long-term emission avoidance. Carbon capture will be a critical part of the global solution to the threat of catastrophic climate change. Renewable energy and conservation cannot, on their own, prevent the ecological and social and economic impact from climate change. We continue to dump massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, not just from energy generation, but also from transportation and manufacturing. This is the legacy of our generation. It's a global challenge that will unite the planet. We need to rise to meet it now. Thank you very much.